guys, I'm Mrs. Thorwork, and welcome to Animal Jam Recording. I'm here with Shakira, I think her name is. I can't say your name, I'm sorry. I'm here with Shakira, and she is, and I'm at her den. So, say hi, Pie. Say hi, Pie. Pie. Say hi, Pie. Say hi, Pie. Come on. Hi, Pie. Yay! So Mimi's not here right now, but I am all prepared to do a video. So let's dance. Let's dance. It's pretty hard to have a video with someone who has no idea what you're saying when you just type in random things now and then. So Wolves dancing, a hamster and a cute little sugar glider, I think they're called. What are they called again? Don't remember. But so I'm just doing a random video to just do it with her because we weren't able to do it together. I did record with her once, but then the computer was like, nope, I do not want to play this on YouTube because I'm being mean today. So yeah, that's what happened. That's exactly what it said to me. So this is pretty much her den. There are cute little crocodiles and giraffes and other cute things. I'm going to get a kawaii. You guys need to. I need to put like a channel that I really think is amazing. It's an educational channel, but with a cute adventure side to it. It's called Wonder Quest. It's literally the best thing in the world. It stars someone named Adam Clark, and more importantly, Stampy Longnose. Not that Adam Clark isn't important. He's important too, but I love Stampy the cat, and he's awesome. So you guys, I'm gonna put their channels in the description to say, yeah, 'cause they're awesome. Yeah. So what do you want to do for the video? Question mark. What do you want to do for the video? Maybe we can go to the new theater. I don't know. Oh, she stinks. And by the way, if you guys are playing this and you haven't played for a while, the new animal is the llama. Llamas are here. Animal Jam rocks. Yes, it does, doesn't it? It does. It does rock. It does. It's literally it's a really fun game. So okay, I don't know what to do. So let's think about what we're going to do. What else we're gonna do for the video? Llama. Do you want to do okay. Follow me. I need to say what I'm typing, or else I'll start typing what I'm saying, and then everything will go wrong, and then I'll just be mixing up my words and such. So we're here, all tied up. We need to watch the new Llama Drama video. They don't have it? They didn't put it up on here. Oh, that's ridiculous. Okay. Let's watch. Let's go to the news page. Trying to figure out how to do this. Llama Drama. This is a really cute video. So here's what happens. Presents Llama Drama. 1 second. I'm gonna pause this video. Oops. Sitting my butt on here on this thing. Okay. If you could hear things in the background, it was another video. I just had another video on. So could you guess who it was? Stampy. Llama Drama. Looks like he's enjoying himself or herself. The first time I watched this video, I assumed it was hyenas doing mischief. Nope. Oh, poor thing. Poor things. Someone was eating. That was good. Never mind. And he just realized he was eating all the hair. Yuck. Oh, poor thing. Triple star surprise. Oh dear. Oh dear. Let's watch Ambushed. I love these videos. I love these videos. Oh no, poor little bunny. Oh, oh no. That's rude. Oh. Poor bunny. Foul play. Poor bunny. Here's the eagle. I think this is a video that came out when the eagles were first introduced, which wasn't that long ago. So fancy. Yay! And then, ouch. That was a foul play. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. If you say that for too long, it's how you say oh dear, oh dear, oh. Sounds like Daryl. Oh! Oh, that cheetah. That cute. Cheetah. I always say cheater when I want to say cheetah. Like if you watch my first video, it's like I always said cheater because yeah. Another thing, I'm just saying, I had a headache. I've been having headaches, so I might be getting glasses soon. So I don't know how this is relevant, but I just wanted to say that I might be getting glasses soon. So yeah, I thought I had 20/20 eyes, but ever since I started reading for longer periods of time, or poor Phantom. Like I've been reading for longer times and doing things on the internet, and it's just been hurting my eyes and stuff. So we're figuring that stuff out. And also something else I'm trying to think. Oh, poor little hamster. Poor little. I really wish lots of these words were like more okay-ish. Poor little hamster. Oh, poor little hamster. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, goodbye. Oh, ouch. Oh, poor thing. Okay, I think I might want to do something else for this video. I'm just going to sleep here for a second. Yeah. So, what? I collapse. Pass. Faints with laughter. Faints with laughter. LOL. 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 That's funny. Oh, she's like sitting on me. So I'm like, are you okay? That's cute. Magic happens. Magic happens. Now magic happens. Woo, woo. Oh! Oh, I can't fly up. I can't fly up. I can't fly up. Magic happens. Hiding. Oh, I've been silent. I need to start talking more. Oh no, look at the rhino. I have chicks. I have chicks. See them? See? That's a silly looking rhino. I have chicks on my head. On my head. On my head. Oh. She said, I not member. It's okay. It's okay. They can be cheap. Not a lot of money. They can be not a lot of money. It's okay. There can be not a lot of money. I like how her underside is black and then she has white disappearing and then purple. It's cute. Wolfie, Wolfie, Wolfie party, Wolfie party, Wolfie party. Okay. Okay. So if you save up, you can be a member. My membership is actually going to expire soon. It's just like almost over a month. So I just have to deal with that. So, oh dear. So, right. Okay, I'm going to end the video. So, say your yes. 20. Okay, I only have a couple of minutes left. So 1 second. Okay, I'm going to end the video. So I just want to tell everyone to love the lovers and love the haters. I love you, and I'm assuming that Shakira does too. So say bye. Say bye. Goodbye. Bye. Love you. And love haters and love